Welcome back to the channel. Let's add Switch games into Ryujinx today. First, let's start up Ryujinx. You'll see the menu empty. To add an NSP game file to the game, you can directly start the game by loading the application file. But to permanently add the game, go to Options, then Settings. Now, find game directories in the user interface page and click Add. Add the folder where you save the NSP file. Click Apply to apply the changes and OK. You can see that my game is added to the main menu. Double-click to start it. Now, wait for the game to load. If this video helps you, please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. You can see that the game is version 1.0.0. It is not the latest version. Let's stop the game and install the latest version. If you have any favorite games, please share with me down in the comment section. If you encounter any problems, feel free to ask me. Now, run Ryujinx again. To update a game, you need to download the update NSP file. After downloading it, go to Options, then Settings. Scroll down to add Autoload DLC/update directories. Locate folder which contains the update NSP file. Apply, then OK. You can see that the version of the game is now 1.1.1. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.